Alright, so guys, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. Now, I need to tell you guys something. Usually, hold on. Usually, Mom is out here watching severe thunderstorms, but this is a very, very, very rare thing to happen because she doesn't usually stay inside when there's a thunderstorm outside like this. Usually, she watches it, so she rarely does this. And the reason is because she was deep cleaning, and because Rascal got out in the vent. Swift, are you scared?
No. Well, I am.
It's okay, Penny. It's okay, Penny. Penny.
Hey.
Put your wing around her. Tomorrow we're supposed to get more severe storms. I'm wondering if this is a supercell thunderstorm, because super thunderstorms are rare. Don't be afraid, Penny. I'm right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed my fair videos, thank you. Maybe I can get a lightning strike on video, you guys. Well, last night there was a really bad thunderstorm, and the thunder was so loud that it woke up my mom, and the whole thunder vibrated. Usually, Mom sleeps right through these thunderstorms. Thunderstorms rarely wake up Mom, if you didn't know. Let's see if I can get one on video. Almost. Might have gotten one. I don't know. Maybe I can get one over here. Maybe if I scoot up closer, I might be able to get a closer look. Get one from over here. Whoa! Hello! Sorry about the screen door. It's really old and the wind is strong. Let's see if I can get a lightning strike on video. I can try. Moms are in here making a rubber band ball. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, maybe I'll get a closer look over here. This is a lot better than a heavy blizzard, in my opinion. But what's your opinion? Do you prefer supercell thunderstorms and severe thunderstorms, or blizzards? Tell me your opinion of what you prefer. If you prefer blizzards, I can handle your opinion. If you prefer supercells, thunderstorms, and severe thunderstorms, I can also handle your opinion. Whoa! Now, before this rain started and the thunder started, it was just lightning outside. That was a sign that severe thunderstorm was here. I think Rascal might have gone down in the vents because he knew there might have been a storm coming. I don't know. That's Mom's car over here. Maybe if I record from the sky over here, I might get one on video. I did last time, but the stupid uploader wouldn't let me do it. Yeah, that's my mom over here. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Tell my subscribers guess what you made.
Rubber band balls.
Tell them guess what you made.
A rubber band ball, and I'm still working on it.
Maybe you should take a break and come join me.
I'm going to in a few minutes.
Leanne, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Smile
I know you.
with your teeth.
That's you.
Smile.
Huge fan of yours.
Wow.
Yes.
Mom, smile with your teeth. You're on camera. I'm trying to get a lightning strike on video.
Yeah, sort of. Thank God one of you has.
I'm trying to get a lightning strike on video.
Okay.
I got some on some other videos, but unfortunately, when I tried to upload the video, it wouldn't upload because there was a problem with the uploader. Weird, huh?
Before a cat gets out, shut the door.
Pippin. And yes, Pippin, he is the father of these babies Ivy has. So Mom's gonna come out here in just a minute. Holy crap. So what do you think this is, you guys? Is this a severe thunderstorm? A supercell thunderstorm? Or is it both? Tell me in the comment section, because I'm confused about these kinds of thunderstorms, because there's different types of them. Some of them are short, some of them are long, and some of them are strong and dangerous. Mom's still working on her rubber band ball. She's never ever made a rubber band ball before in her life. Not when she was a kid either. So this is her first time. Leanne gave her the idea. Let's see if I can get that same lightning strike over here. Holy shit, you guys. See if I can get the lightning bolt on video. See if I can get it. This is Mom's car over here. That's her brand new car. Tiger might be missing. Because he went through the vent too. Wait a minute. No, I think he went outside too. Almost got a lightning strike on video, you guys. Now I need to catch it. Mom's gonna be joining out here in a minute. Is it rare to get a lightning strike on video? I think so. It might be. I'm not sure. Good question, Swift. Thank you for protecting your girl. You're such a brave blue jay. It's gonna take more than a loud, super heavy thunderstorm to scare me. I can see that. You're calm. Oh, come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay, Ben. It's okay, Penny. I'm trying to get a lightning strike on video.
Well, why don't we sit on the steps? Are they what?
Yes,
They are?
I think so.
Pat, touch them.
Yes.
They're what?
You need to sit down here.
Well, there's no room for me.
Say hi.
Hello.
Smile with your teeth. I told you what happened in my video.
What's that?
About how Rascal got out. It's extremely rare for Rascal to go into events. You know that?
So I think what I'm gonna do.
You can always record too. I almost got a lightning strike on video, but it's hard right now to get one.
You know what I'm gonna do with Shinadu? You know
What?
that rope. Are you recording?
Yeah.
That rubber band ball? Remember those boxers that I bought him?
What?
I'm gonna roll them up and I'm gonna wrap them up inside the rubber band ball, and I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna say, "There you go. There's a surprise, but you have to unwrap the rubber band ball to get it."
What is it?
Boxers.
What kind of boxers?
Elephant boxers.
What are elephant boxers?
They're boxers for men. They have an elephant on them. Actually, I got him 2 pair. Yep.
You know you can play with rubber band balls.
I'm gonna go back inside. Don't put that on YouTube, but I said.
Ooh, I almost got one on video now.
Maybe you should. Maybe the back. Maybe the back. You might get a better view.
Don't know any information about what Mom said. Okay. I am gonna put this to YouTube, but just ignore about what Mom said because it's none of you guys' business. Okay? Can you scoot up a little bit? Of course, Swift. It's okay, Penny. I'm right here. Oh, Swift, you're so brave. Whoa! Maybe I'll get some from over here, you guys. Almost. We'll see when you watch the video. Tell me if you see any lightning strikes when they upload the video. Maybe if I turn off the porch light, I might get a better view over here. So I said to my subscribers that just ignore it. It's none of your guys' business.
Try to get out.
So that's what I said.
He's trying to get out.
Pumpkin. There we go. Now we can get a better view. Nice try, Pumpkin. I need to scoot up a little more. There we go. Now they're way up there. Yep, thunderstorms. No, thunder is louder than police sirens and emergency sirens. No, the emergency vehicle sirens. Wow! Getting a bunch of them over here. I'm getting a bunch of them.
Good.
I'm trying to get one on video. So far, I got some. Now listen, listen to me. Before I go back out, I just want to say that to my subscribers, ignore about what you said because it's none of their business. Bye.
Door.
Oh, Mom. You're shocking. Oh. Here we go. Scoot up a little bit. There you go. There you go. Damn, another loud one. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate the house. It rarely does. It rarely does that. It's usually just loud booms, but we do get really loud booms, but usually doesn't shake the house like this. So yeah.